Alright, Penny, hopefully this will be our final part to your Chapter 7 review. Alright, and this would actually be Part 4. Let's go ahead and solve some functions. We are now up to example 20. Let's say we have the cube root of 2x is equal to 4. Alright, the way we're going to get rid of this radical is by multiplying each side by the cube. Or we're going to use an exponent of 3. Index, radical sign, and exponent all cancel each other out, and that just leaves us with 2x. 4 cubed, which is 4 times 4 times 4 is 64. Solve for x. We are going to go ahead and divide out the 2. And we find that x is equal to 32. Example 21. Let's take the square root of 3x. That's equal to the square root of x plus 6. So to get rid of these radicals, we're going to go ahead and square both sides of our equation. Radicals and the exponents cancel each other out. On the left, we're left with 3x, and on the right, we're left with x plus 6. We're going to go ahead and combine some like terms. I'm going to subtract out x to keep my variable positive. That will give us 2x is equal to 6. We need to solve for x. So the way we're going to isolate that is to divide each side by 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Therefore, x is equal to 3. Example 22. Let's take the square root of x squared plus x minus 3, all underneath the radical. Set that equal to 3. Alright, the process does not change. To get rid of the radical, remember your index is 2. We're going to go ahead and square both sides. Radical, exponent, and x all cancel each other out. We're left with x squared plus x minus 3. 3 squared is 9. Alright, we are going to go ahead and bring the 9 over by subtracting it. And we get x squared plus x minus 12. Alright, so this should go back. You could look at it and say, that looks familiar. I have a polynomial. Do I need to factor it? So you need to go back to one of your factoring rules. If I factor this out, we would get x plus 4 times x minus 3. 4 times a negative 3 gives you the negative 12, and then if we add them, we get the positive 1. If you had to find the zeros of this graph, if we were to graph it, we would say that x is equal to negative 4, x is equal to positive 3. Alright, Penny, that concludes our review of Chapter 7 via YouTube. We may go over additional problems in class, so you are expected to still take notes. I will also discuss the problem solving or the word problems that you will need to review and study for your test coming up. raise your hand in class and ask. You may see me before school. You may also see me after school. I hope you find the videos beneficial. Give me your feedback in class and let me know if we should